As educators, we're always worried about our students doing things that are not in their best welfare. I remember as a principal and as a superintendent having issues with students oftentimes, especially high school students, taking prescription drugs that they found in different areas and putting themselves in harm's way in many ways. This is Wes Hickey, Director of the School of Education at the University of Texas at Tyler, and in this Weekly 5 we want to talk about a new issue that is taking place, and it's called JUULing. I was looking through news articles recently and they talked about this issue of JUULing. When I go through and look even further, it appears that about 70% of our kids in high school are aware this is going on, and yet very few of us actually understand it. It basically is an extension of the vaping craze, and now they have one of those little vaping instruments that look like a flash drive that can fit into a USB port to charge it, and has the little chemicals that go through there to give individuals kind of a short-term high, but it often has and always has the issues that are detrimental to students as well. And so some of the big things that we need to really be aware of with this is, and I encourage everyone to be very rational when they deal with it, but we do need to educate students as to both the consequences of doing this kind of vaping, also the potential side effects and harmful aspects of vaping, and then frankly just follow the discipline procedures that we already have in place for any type of illicit behavior. And this really is kind of a version of smoking and has a lot of the same negative side effects that occur with smoking as well. But it is very widespread, and so probably one of the things we also need to do in our schools is educate our parents. They're going to be one of the first line individuals that may see something that looks unusual and can address it quickly before it ever gets to the school. But also as individuals in the school, we need to be aware of what's going on, and when it takes place, address it appropriately. And here at UT Tyler, let us know what we can do, and remember to inspire and educate, the architects of human potential.